Welcome to DJ's Pristine Sports. We've just acquired this lovely price range automatic diesel BMW 1 Series. Very rare in the auto. Drives really nice, very smooth. It's just arrived into stock. As you can see, the paintwork is absolutely gleaming. Big reflection off there. Lovely sport alloy wheels. Rear park distance control. It's the 116D. It's got privacy glass to the rear. As you can see, absolutely lovely. Boot area is in lovely condition. Interior's been kept very well indeed. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Just start it up. Sounds absolutely lovely. It's got the upgraded screens. It's got the satellite navigation, full menu, communication, Bluetooth. It's just nowhere, you wouldn't believe it's done the miles. Look at it, nowhere on that at all. It's got the limiter, steering wheel, multifunction steering wheel. It's a lot of car for the money. At DJH are full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If requiring further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.